Hey guys, this is Jerry, and we got Industrious LA. Thank you, them. They're a co-working space right next to my place. And this is a woman minority-owned coffee brand called Copper Cow Coffee. And I have my friend Rob here who's filming behind the camera. He's a coffee drinker. It's Vietnamese coffee. It comes with a filter and it comes with the coffee, so you got the full package. I have weird health problems when I drink coffee. Things happen down in my lower intestinal area, and then it's uncomfortable for quite a long time. I'll spare you guys the detail for obvious reasons. The only reason I'm talking about it so much is because I can't get this open. So, Rob said, imagining the bedroom. That's right. So, in bed, what I would do is if I can't get the thing on, I'll just keep talking. That's the coffee, and here's the filter. This is the pour over. Look at that. So cool. It comes, and then what's this? The straw. This is the straw. The coffee grounds and the filter. So you open it up here, and then it becomes a filter, and then you can boil the water and pour it in and blah, blah, blah. And this is the milk sugar stuff that you pour in, and this is, I guess, the stirring mechanism. A box right here, a little chic little box, comes with these three things. Perfect for hotel, office, or camping. Camping, eh? Interesting. I'm wearing a survival shirt. By the way, shout out to Nick Clement from... wow, he's going to kill me. Oh, Endure Survival. This says you pour 1 ounce of boiled water to saturate it, then after 15 seconds slowly pour 5 ounces, but their Instagram told me the secret is 4 ounces. Okay, well, Rob, shall we try this? Rob just said, Jerry, why don't you do it? So I love Rob. He's a very encouraging guy. So you have to open it like this, you see? So now you put it here. Oh, it's so cute. It becomes a natural little filter. I think it's a 1 ounce. Let's get the initial 1 ounce. Oh my god, my first time doing this. Yeah, so 15 seconds, so we pour this in. This would saturate the grounds, and then after 15 seconds we pour the rest of it. I'm a natural. I got 4 ounces exactly. I learned how to make coffee. I almost want to drink it, but I know it's not good for me. So, Rob and whoever's in the room, maybe Hank and Giuliano and everyone, would be the ones drinking this. The thing is, of course you don't want to pour it all in, right? Because then it'll... So you have to wait a little. Do you think it's going to be a little too potent if we only put 4 ounces? Because the manual says 5 ounces. I just did 4 ounces because that's what they said on Instagram when I talked to them directly. Are you able to reuse the filter at all? It's premium Vietnamese coffee. That's the ingredient there. What makes something premium and what makes something not premium? Wonder if there's... Like, how do they determine if something's premium or not premium? And how can we determine it's Vietnamese also? Couldn't I just start a coffee brand that says, yo, it's Vietnamese? And then, like, people would believe it's Vietnamese, right? I mean, I look Asian. Maybe I'll start a coffee brand. Premium Chinese coffee. Even though Chinese people don't drink coffee. Actually, they do now. They're trying to be Westerners. So I think we filtered everything. Of course, not only can I not drink coffee, I also can't drink milk. So I'll be doubly screwed if I drink this. That's why we're going to give it to Rob, and we'll give it to Giuliano, and give it to Hank. They're the white people I'm with, by the way, since we're going down that path. It's a very thick consistency type of milk right there. Very interesting. The fruits of my labor, man. Now I kind of want to try it. If you pay for my medical bills, this company, can I try it? I wonder if, let's say they need some treatment for whatever happens, Copper Cow Coffee. If I drink this and then because of my sensitivity to coffee, will you pay the bills considering I did such a great review? So, look at that. You put in the milk, it turns to this kind of color. Maybe this is why I used to get sick drinking coffee. Like, I drink like this much. All we have left is, let's get someone to try this.
Copper Cow Coffee. It's very good. It's very good.
Is it as good as the normal coffee you drink? Because Rob makes his own coffee too. Or is it kind of on par, a little better, a little worse?
It's actually very smooth. Mm-hmm. It's very, very, I would say that's high quality coffee. That is a premium coffee.
Wow.
I
Such premium.
don't have sugar in my coffee usually, so that's definitely very sweet. But that's just me because I don't ever have sugar.
Exactly. If you look at the milk ingredients is California milk, so it's locally sourced and it's sugar. So that explains. You want to try this too? This is the coffee I made for the first time. Oh. This is Copper Cow coffee. Oh. Try see it if you like it.
Oh, very nice.
Is it sweet? Is it sour?
Tastes like Rob got to this.
Tastes like Rob got to it first.
Today's not my coffee day. I might drink all that. That's pretty tasty. I like
it is pretty tasty. Okay.
Thanks, Jerry.
So we got 2 people who are coffee drinkers testing this, and they approve.
Yeah.
So Copper Cow coffee. Thank you so much. Premium Vietnamese coffee. Thank you guys so much for sending me this, and thank you, Industrious Los Angeles, for leading to it happening. I don't know which channel this is going to go on, but this is Jerry signing out. And those of you in LA or in general, if you want good coffee, Copper Cow coffee. And I made my own coffee today. You know, maybe I should drink a little. Oh, this is pretty good. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. This was good coffee.
That was great.
That was fun.